About to hit you with another SSR 125 pit bike video. In this one, I'm gonna be upgrading a few things. So I got this package in. Show you what's in here. First up, air filter. This might not be as good or as recommended as one of the mesh ones, but I like the style. Oh, you got a couple of these air fuel filters. That'll be replacing this piece of shit. Along with that, I got this K&N recharger kit. It's just air filter cleaner and air filter oil. So I don't need to clean this, but I can just spray some of the oil on there and then clean it off whenever I need. And just to finish up on the spring maintenance, we got some carburetor cleaner. And this stuff works great. Hopefully this will fix my idle problem. If not, I'll have to adjust the idle. So to start off, we're just gonna take this hose off. I don't know how much fuel is in this line right now. Hopefully it's not too much. Not much in there. Don't have to worry about getting gas on that. It's going in the garbage anyway. All right, so if there's nothing in there, I'm assuming that there's nothing in here too. Last time I wrote it, I just let it run with the gas off for a minute, so hopefully it drained out enough. All right, there we go. Just work that out. All right. There is your old air filter. Let's check this thing out. Or old fuel filter, sorry. Wow, that actually doesn't look too bad. Yeah. Either way, we're gonna throw one of these paper filters in there. It's probably a little bit better. The old one looks like it was some type of close knit mesh. And this one is just paper and it's clear, so I could see how dirty it's getting. I can't get this damn thing on. Well, there's that. Top one. So we got the K&N recharger kit. Comes with this air filter oil and this air filter cleaner. Right now we're just gonna spray some of this stuff on it. Time to remove the old air filter. Maybe you should have thought of that. You came in your freaking.
I have a jacket already there.
Alright, we have the old air filter off. It's actually it's cracked right there. And we got this new one that has oil on it, which it says to wait 20 minutes for it to dry or wick. So in that time, we're gonna be using this carburetor cleaner, which says remove air filter or air cleaner and run engine at fast idle, spray directly into carburetor intake in short bursts till clean. Alright, so we're pretty much just gonna spray that right into there and just clean the carburetor out. Maybe I'm not supposed to do that? I don't know. It said straight into intake. Maybe it's straight into one of the jets.
Hey, bored. My mom isn't home, by the way. She said she'll be back in about an hour and a half or 2 hours. So, 12:30. Alright, I guess we'll turn the new one on then.
Alright, we're gonna adjust the idle. So this screw here, right for more gas, which I think is what we need because it keeps dying out. So we're gonna turn it quarter of a turn. See what that does.